I'm at the park. My kids are playing. A white Karen wants to come yell at these Micronesian kids, tell these Micronesian kids they don't belong there at the park. She ain't no sergeant, she ain't no sheriff, and she ain't working for no county, she ain't working for no city, but she want to tell the Micronesian kids on a big island to go away from the park. For 30 minutes, she's blabbering on. Where's your parents? Where's your parents? Where's your parents? Da, da, da. I'm sitting there, and I'm like, bruh, she better not pop off on my kids, because my kids is right next to them. And we all look the same. So I walk over there, and I'm just standing by my kid while she's yelling at the Micronesian kids. Bruh. She turns to me, she goes, do you know them? No, I don't. Do you know them again? I just said no. Why are you asking me again? Oh, I'm just asking because, why? Because I'm brown? From there, she's calling all her people. Now they're all coming. It's our island. This our island. This our island. One of me, and y'all need 20 of y'all? I gotta catch me another case. Again.